Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change email address on Easyjet. The first thing I'd like you to do is launch your Easyjet account, which of course I've done right here. Next thing is, how can you create an account on Easyjet? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type easyjet.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Easyjet. Once you get into the website, follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account at the top right corner of your screen. And after creating your account, it's going to take you right into this fantastic window where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Easyjet. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to change email address on Easyjet. From your home page, I would like you to head over to this window that says hello. Okay, or to this tab that says hello rather. So you have the flight info, holidays, cars and transfer, business, booking.com, manage bookings, and now you have hello and you have help. Head over to hello. Now you have this extended option that says view booking, my account, check in, book bag and sit, change flight, voucher, wallet, sign out. So go ahead and click on my account, and that takes you into the my account tab or my account window. So over here in this window, go ahead and click on update personal details and email preferences. After clicking on that, it takes you right here. Now you have your account details, and you have this, you have email address, you have password details. Go ahead and click on edit, and once you click on this edit feature, it takes you right into the edit window where you can now make necessary changes. Your name, so this, your email address, enter your email address. This, of course, you know that this email address was solely created for the purpose of this tutorial. So click on this email address and edit it. Just change it to whatever you want. Then in this bar or in this communication bar, go ahead and type in the exact email address that you added here. Enter it here again. Let's just repeat the process. And once you're done, don't forget to click on the Save Changes button. And after clicking on Save Changes, that's going to be it. You will now be able to change your email address on Easyjet. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.